every sunrise, every night falls glow. We walk this path together, hand in hand we go. The storms we've weathered, the laughter and the tears, build a love that's stronger with every year. I look into your eyes, and all I see is the home I found, where I'm meant to be. No shadows linger, no questions in the air, just a love that's true and beyond compare. Was there ever any doubt that you and I were meant to be? Through every twist and every shout, it's only you I see. With every beat my heart speaks loud. No fear of losing now. Was there ever any doubt when love's this deep somehow? Years like rivers flowing, never turning back. Our stories were in a tape and a steady track. Hand in hand we'll keep on walking through. Forever starts and ends with you. Time may try to test us, but it never breaks. A bond that's pure, the love that we make. So here's to us, to the life we found. With you my heart will always be sound. Was there ever any doubt that you and I were meant to be? Through every twist and every shout, it's only you I see. With every beat my heart speaks loud. No fear of losing now. Was there ever any doubt when love's this deep somehow? So here's to years